Good morning, fellow people. Um, I have found out that I see many people they go around with cars that have expired tires. So this morning I want to teach people how to know if your tire is ready, or will I say it's expired and it's suitable. You change it. Most tires will never write the expiry date on their tires, but the best they can give you is the week it was manufactured, and it is left for you to know that the tires have a period of 4 years, or the FRSC has recommended a period of 4 years to use a tire. Some say 6 years, but because of the condition of driving, say in my own country, Nigeria, they recommend you use the tire just for 4 years. So I'm going to teach you how to know this. Now I'm going to take my camera very close to the tires, and I'm going to lead you to where it is written. So keep searching, keep looking around the tire. Okay, I've seen it. So you see here, let me focus on it. You see here, sometimes you're going to see asterisks. There was asterisk at the beginning, and asterisk at the end, but here there's no asterisk. So this, I will interpret this as, let me turn it in a way this is how it is meant to be. So this is 1819. This means that this tire was produced in the 18th week. So the first two numbers indicate the week it was produced, then the last two numbers indicate the year. So this means this tire was produced in the 18th week of 2019. So by calculation, we can say that this tire will expire in 4 years' time, that is 18th week of the year 2023. That's 2019, 2021, 2022, 2022. Thank you.